Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow birthday cake. Let's start. I draw the birthday cake. Now let's decorate it like this. I draw some wavy lines like these, which will be the creamy parts. And later the top. On top of the cake, I draw candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a nice. Now, coloring time. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I use dark brown for the top. It's chocolate. Light brown. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, yellow. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time.